Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best large whiteboard is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to boost productivity, creativity, or simply organize their thoughts. Whether you're a student brainstorming complex ideas, a professional mapping out project strategies, or a family coordinating busy schedules, a high-quality, generously sized whiteboard can transform your space into a dynamic hub for collaboration and clear communication, making it an indispensable asset in today's fast-paced world. Number 5. Lockways Magnetic Dry Erase Board 48 by 36 inch. Experience flawless writing and ultra-clean erasing every time. Its smooth, scratch-resistant surface ensures a perfect writing experience, allowing you to write and erase again and again. Remember to remove the protective film before use. This board features an anti-scratch satin silver aluminum frame and round nylon corners for safety and durability. It also includes an integrated aluminum marker tray for convenience. It's perfect for any playroom, school, or office setting. Mounting it is simple and safe with the included fixing kits. You can easily install it in either portrait or landscape orientation to fit your space perfectly. It arrives securely protected in multi-layer packaging, ensuring it reaches you in perfect condition. This set includes an aluminum pen tray, 8 magnets, and 3 dry erase markers, providing everything you need to get started right away. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions after receiving it, simply contact us. We promise to provide a satisfactory reply within 12 hours. What we like. This board offers an excellent writing and dry erase experience, ensuring ultra-clean wipe-off every time. If you're looking for a complete package right out of the box, including markers and magnets, this is a fantastic choice. Its reinforced packing also guarantees it arrives in perfect condition, making it ideal for those who prioritize product integrity during shipping. What people say. The whiteboard surface provides a smooth writing experience and erases cleanly without leaving ghosting marks. Its sturdy construction ensures stability when mounted, making it suitable for frequent use. Number 4. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard 48 by 36. This magnetic whiteboard comes with everything you need. Its generous size provides ample writing space, and it includes all necessary fixing kits and a convenient pen tray. Experience a smooth, durable magnetic surface that wipes clean effortlessly. It features an anti-scratch black aluminum frame and robust ABS plastic corners for lasting quality. A detachable marker tray adds to its convenience. It's an excellent choice for various environments, including your home, school, or office. You can also use it in small groups, kitchens, stores, dormitories, and classrooms. Use it for play counting, guided reading, learning, presentations, or even your grocery list, reducing paper waste. Its classic design will match any decoration, making it a perfect addition to your space. You can easily install it to suit your space. Mount it either horizontally or vertically. This flexibility allows you to customize its orientation to perfectly fit your needs. What we like. This model stands out with its sleek black aluminum frame, offering a modern aesthetic that complements any decor. If you appreciate a stylish look and a smooth, durable magnetic writing surface, this board is perfect. Its versatile installation options, both horizontal and vertical, make it highly adaptable for various spaces like offices, homes, or classrooms. What people say. Number 3. XBoard Magnetic Whiteboard 48 by 36 inch. Discover the XBoard Magnetic Whiteboard, a premium solution for your presentation needs. It comes complete with essential accessories like markers, magnets, and a pen holder, ready for immediate use. This board is designed to support professionals, educators, and families alike. Experience unparalleled writing smoothness on its specially designed, scratch-resistant surface. All dry erase markers glide effortlessly, and it wipes clean with ease. You'll never have to worry about ghosting or staining again. Crafted from high-quality raw materials, it features a sturdy, thickened aluminum frame for lasting durability. The smooth, high-grade nylon plastic corners ensure safety, eliminating any sharp edges. Its detachable marker tray adds to its thoughtful design. This versatile board offers flexible installation options, allowing you to mount it either horizontally or vertically. It's perfect for diverse environments, from office meetings and school classrooms to home presentations. You can even use it as a bulletin board to pin notes and pictures. Rest assured, it arrives in reinforced packaging to prevent any damage during transit. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues upon arrival, simply contact us for a free replacement. What we like. This board provides a premium magnetic writing surface that's both scratch-resistant and easy to wipe clean without ghosting. If safety is a top concern, its sturdy thickened aluminum frame and smooth nylon plastic corners ensure a secure user experience. Furthermore, its reinforced packaging guarantees safe delivery, making it a reliable option for those who value both quality and peace of mind. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 2. VIZ-PRO Dry Erase Board 48 by 36 inches. Introducing the VIZ-PRO Dry Erase Board, your versatile solution for clear communication. This 48 by 36 inch whiteboard is perfect for any setting, from school to office to home. Measuring 47.2 by 35.4 inches overall, it provides a generous writing area of 45.8 by 34.0 inches. Its non-magnetic surface is incredibly smooth and durable, ensuring effortless dry wiping with all your favorite markers. Crafted with a sleek silver-finished aluminum frame, it adds a professional touch to any room. The corners are reinforced with durable ABS plastic, featuring secure screw fixing for enhanced stability. Installation is a breeze with the included fixing kits. You can easily mount it vertically or horizontally, adapting to your space and preference. Each package comes complete with one whiteboard, a convenient pen tray, and all necessary fixing kits. This includes expansion screws, self-tapping screws, and corner covers, ensuring you have everything for a quick setup. What we like. Unlike the others, this board features a smooth, durable non-magnetic writing surface, perfect for those who only need a dry erase function. If you're looking for a straightforward, high-quality writing surface without the need for magnets, this is an excellent fit. Its simple design and easy installation make it a practical choice for any school, office, or home setting. What people say. Number 1. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Whiteboard 48 by 36 inches. Experience effortless writing on its smooth, durable magnetic surface. It wipes clean easily with any dry erase marker, ensuring a consistently clear board for your ideas. Crafted with a specially lacquered surface and an anti-scratch silver aluminum frame, it's built to last. Fixing kits and a detachable marker tray are included for your convenience. Install it horizontally or vertically to perfectly fit your space and needs. Its classic design seamlessly blends with any decor, making it a versatile addition to any room. This board is ideal for homes, schools, offices, and more. Use it for learning, presentations, drawing, or even grocery lists, helping you save paper. Remember to remove the protective film before its first use. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you. What we like. This magnetic whiteboard offers a very smooth writing experience with its specially lacquered, anti-scratch surface. If you prioritize premium quality materials and a classic design that seamlessly blends into any environment, this board is a strong contender. Its versatile installation and durable construction make it a reliable choice for a wide range of uses, from home to office. What people say. No review content available from source. No review content available from source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.